Hello guys, in this video I'll be sharing this amazing fluffy vanilla cake recipe with you guys. So let's get started. Once again, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. To my new subscriber and my old subscriber, I love you guys. For this recipe we need margarine or butter, sugar, flour. For your flour, please make sure you sieve it, baking powder, vanilla flavor, milk and some egg. The full list of the ingredients will be in the description box below. First step, you need to sieve in your baking powder into your flour and combine the mixture together. The next thing is to cream your butter a little bit fluffy. Just make the butter a bit fluffy before adding your sugar to it. When you cream your butter a bit fluffy, you add your sugar to it and you start creaming both sugar and butter together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Once you cream to this point, add your vanilla flavor to your batter and continue creaming. So please note, whenever you are creaming, always stop and scrape your batter together before you continue creaming. You can always do this at every interval. Stop and scrape everything together. At this point, if you look at our batter, you can see that it's already fluffy. So the next thing we're going to start adding now is our egg. We start adding our egg one after the other. You're not going to rush. You add in a little bit, then you beat that in. Then you continue the process until you finish adding all your egg one after the other. Once you are done adding your eggs, the next thing to do is to start adding your flour bit by bit. This process, your mixer have to be on your low speed. So you add your flour on the low speed into your batter bit by bit until you are done adding all your flour into your batter mixture. Once you are done adding all your flour, then you mix for a little bit, then you stop your mixer and use your scraper to scrape in all your flour that is yet to be mixed with the flour. Then you mix everything together. Then the next thing is to add in your milk. Then once you add your milk, you mix everything. As you can see, our batter is ready, looking yummy and fluffy. So the next thing is to pour it into your prepared baking tin. For my baking tin, I line it with baking paper. Then I use butter and flour to dust the body before pouring my batter into it. Then the next thing is to put my cake batter inside the oven and bake. Once I'm done baking, I will show you the results after I finish baking my cake. As you can see guys, our cake is ready. So I baked this cake for about 30 to 35 minutes in my preheat oven. I preheat my oven first before putting my cake inside. So as you can see again, I make some lovely cupcake. So you can also use the same recipe to make cupcake for yourself and enjoy. Please let me know in the comment section if you enjoy my video. And please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you guys. Till I see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.